Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to limit battery charge in Windows. What you have to do is go on the search option right over here in your laptop or PC. Type down battery option, battery overview right over here. And in the top right corner here in the find a setting option, type down battery saver. And you have to choose this option that says turn battery saver on or off. And over here we could see there's an option of battery saver. You can simply change this option by clicking here. And if you want to turn battery saver on automatically at 20%, but you can also increase this option from any of it you want to prefer. Or you could also click on this option that says lower screen brightness when you're using battery saver in order to save your battery in Windows. Or you could also manually unplug. If you're comfortable with it, you can manually unplug your laptop when it reaches a certain charge level to prevent it from charging further. This requires monitoring the battery level closely and may not be convenient for everyone. So remember that tampering with battery charging behavior may have implications for your battery's health and longevity. It's essential to balance your desire to limit charging with the need to maintain your battery's health. If your laptop is still under warranty, you may still want to consult with the manufacturer before attempting any changes to battery charging behavior. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.